Thank you, Drone Commander, for the opportunity to talk about the workshop and the seminar. Great material. I'm not only an attendee, I am a current business owner, so I've gone through and started or I participate in a business that I own. I don't own it 100%. Um, had I attended this seminar before I invested in a company with other people, there was a what would be described in the seminar as an elephant. I might have changed what I wanted to do. The content of the seminar and how to start your own business, how to really focus on the early wins, and and how to have the courage to get in there, and the support network for anyone wanting to start a business, especially in the drone industry, and even in business in general. The content of the seminar has been fantastic. As a veteran business owner, as someone who has been involved in technology for a number of years, and in writing business plans and in interacting with customers, the content is relevant. The content is appropriate for today's age, and it gives you not only the information, but it gives you the support. A lot of businesses fail when they first start up. People trying to figure out how to do things. The support that's offered by with Drone Commander, and especially with the network, is just, it's fantastic. And if you're serious about starting a business in the drone industry, this is the right place to start. Had I participated in this 10 years ago, then I might be in a different business today. I'm both encouraged and excited and thankful to have participated in this conference, and looking forward to getting my second business started and transitioning into that business. Thank you all for the support. Really great content. I've really enjoyed it. One other comment would be to make sure that I've done this while working and had it running. You really need to make sure that you dedicate the time. There's a lot of content that is important that you don't want to miss. So make sure that you are 100% committed, that you're watching it. You're going to get every bit of value out of it. And again, thank you for the opportunity to participate, and thank you for all the information. This has been one of the best seminars and some of the best business content that I ever participated in the years of working in business and working in technology services.